Good morning, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa mall para mag-breakfast na coffee. Coffee muna kami, KFC. KFC coffee. Yung mga kasama ko nandun pa nabili ng donut. Doon silang dalawa sa donut. Donut. Ayan. Yun pa yung dalawa. Nag-order pa sila ng donut. Ayan. Punta na. Kasi walang almusal. Ngayon pa lang 1:30 na. Ngayon pa lang kami mag-aalmusal. What kind of tissue you have? They giving this tissue? Yan. Ang donut. The coffee, the other one is about, what is this? Kat is mixing with the paper. And me too.
Yeah, see, become...
Ito ang life. Hutik na to. Isa life.
Paano yung buraan niya? Mag-Starbucks
Hindi man yan Starbucks. Nabubula siya.
Grabe.
Ang pait pa.
This is the very strong coffee. Oh my God. Yes.
That's why you pay expensive na. Because it's a strong one. 500. Ayan, mag-order na yung dalawa dyan sa KFC. Yan ang patanghalian daw namin. KFC. Dito lang ako tatayo. Ayan, nakapag-order na. Nag-order na siya ng tanghalian namin. Pero hindi pa nakuha. Mamaya-maya pa yan. Preparing preparing KFC ang lunch namin. This mga busy because they are waiting for our order. Noodles.
Going again to eat the other side.
How you eat there again and then you are already full? Give me the dumpling. Because you already there, come out on that side, then you go back again. What name? Na? But you're not feeling cold, T, because your cloth is light. Ate Brenda. It's not feeling cold. Don't worry, I have black jacket, sweater here. I said I have a black sweater here for Ate Brenda. Oh, see? I'm roaming around. No, later now when you feel cold, so I have a black sweater here.
Okay, my dress is too, ha? Pero, ano, maano mo pag kung umuwi ka ng Pilipinas?
Oo, magagamit mo talaga.
Hindi ka lugi eh.
Maganda talaga ang ano ng gold nila. Kasi pagdating mo sa Pinas, mahal din eh. You get the car, sis? You get already the car? Yan, ang galing. Relaxation. Nagre-relax sila. Kami naman, busog na. Almusal, tanghalian. Nadali pa, may baon pa. Almusal, tanghalian, nadali na. Tapos may take out pa.
Our aid na. The breakfast,
Lunch and dinner. You get the car? I love the smell of cinnamon. Cinnamon. And now it's too expensive. You want to eat something? And then even small na, it's small. For me, I don't care the price if I want. You know? See,
kahit mahal, basta gusto mo.
oh, basta, di bali na, kahit mahal, basta gusto ko talagang kumain. I don't care. Basta may pera lang ako. Kung walang pera, wala. Talagang magtiis muna tayo. Nakakaano lang tayo pag may mga tip tayo. Bibigyan tayo ng tip ng pag may mga bisita. Ay. Ganda talaga ng buhay. Kasi hindi mo na sana mababawasan yung sweldo eh. Minsan wala namang tip ay magtiis. Hindi lahat naman. Kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho eh para sa sarili natin. Kaya nga no. Wala pagtutulong sa'yo. Juice. Ang daming mga orange juice dito. Oh. Ayan. Orange. There is also Kino, there is orange, there is Malta. What do you call that one? Yun na, different. Yeah, different name. Lumabas? Magkasama kami nila, Bere? Magkasama yan. Hindi ka na namin na Ha? There is a woman's secret also?
Oh, we passed already.
We passed already.